Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to delete Pinterest account. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and sign into the account you want to delete. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Account Management. Scroll down until you find the Delete Account option and tap on it. Pinterest will ask why you want to leave. Select a reason that best matches your situation, then tap Continue. You'll now see information about what happens when your account is deleted. Review the details carefully, then tap Send Email to proceed. Pinterest will send a confirmation email to the email address associated with your account. Open your email inbox, find the email from Pinterest, and click the confirmation link inside it. Once you confirm, your Pinterest account will be scheduled for deletion. And that's it. Your Pinterest account has been successfully deleted. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.